smoothie thing. This was actually given to me by one of my friends, so I thought I would use it. I have to plug it up over here because there's only one plug in this whole entire kitchen. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to use to make my smoothie, because I'm just going to do strawberry and banana smoothie today. Okay guys, I had to get myself together. So I don't have any ice, but I want to show you guys what I'm using, because I don't have any ice. So I'm using some of this almond breeze milk, a little bit of this light strawberry. I have 2 bananas and 3 strawberries. I don't have any ice, so I froze some ice, and I'm just gonna chip off of this because I don't have any ice. And all of this is gonna be super, super tart, so I'm gonna just put 1 spoonful of this Splenda mix with half sugar. And this is my pretty little cup I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna do all that, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Right now I'm just cutting up these strawberries. So the machine pretty decent. Not bad at all. Great. Low calorie substitute for breakfast or lunch, or it can be a snack, you know, whichever one you want it to be. To bake me some chicken breast with tomatoes on it. I've got my baked potato in the oven. I don't know if I've mentioned this in another video, but I am moving. This is my last month at this apartment. I am moving on to bigger and better things. So everything is just kind of scattered right now. I'm getting ready to start taking pictures off the wall and everything, because this is my lease is up. This is my last month here. Anyways, I'm gonna have sweet potato with that, and some probably, I think I want some, let's see. I wanted a salad at first, but I'm kind of tired of eating salads. So I think I'm going to make some greens. Y'all, I got this stocking on my head because y'all know that hair that I wear is so thick. It's like the only thing that keeps my hair up when I'm taking a shower, completely up. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little spot treatment, not like my typical spot, because usually I just soak in the bathtub or whatever. This is just what I'm doing. I haven't did a moisturizing facial since last week. The other day I did a facial for acne. Today I'm gonna do a moisturizing facial, and this is pretty much it. Yeah. Okay, so this is my chicken. I didn't show you guys the whole preparation of it because it's just me by myself, and it would be so hard to film this and do everything that I need to do. So anyways, it's just some chicken breast, some lean chicken breast, seasoned onions and tomatoes, because you guys know chicken breast kind of, you know, get dry, so I thought the tomatoes would give it a little flavor. So I'm getting ready to put some foil on this and take my baked potato out, and I'm going to cook these because these are very thin chicken breasts. I'm going to cook these for about 35 minutes. 30 to 35 minutes. It all wrapped up in foil. I put the foil on it really, really tight so none of the moisture, the juice flows out, because you know chicken breast is white meat. It's very, very dry. And I'm going to move this over. That is actually my that's my baked potatoes, and I'm cooking for at least 3 days. This will last me probably at least 3 to 4 days. Baked potatoes, I don't know, not baked potatoes, sweet potatoes, it takes so long for them to cook. And so yeah, that's in the oven. And I'm probably going to make some green beans. I don't know. Whatever I have fresh up there, as long as it's a vegetable. And I wanted to show you guys one more thing that I use for pampering. And I'm going to put a facial on after I eat my dinner. So I want to show you guys. I have like so many steps to showering and preparing myself for the night, or just my hygiene routine. I have a lot of steps, guys. And I know most women and probably a lot of men do too, but here it goes. I'll show you guys. When I get in the shower, most of the time immediately I shave. And here's one of the shavers. I love these colorful shavers. I usually get them from Walmart. I use that up there when I get in the shower, which is my Clarisonic. And then you see my face wash. And, you know, getting out the shower. In another clip, you know, I'll show you guys like the soap that I use. When I get out the shower, I use this Baby Magic. And I like to put a little bit of this sweet almond oil on my body too. I like to use deodorant. This is the deodorant I'm using now. Secret. It smells so good. It smells like summertime. And usually I do the whole steps with, you know, my anti-wrinkle cream, my moisturizer of whatever choice. I got so much moisturizer up here. And usually one of my eye creams. Tonight we're going to be using this because I am going to do a facial. So I'm going to be using this. And usually brush my teeth. You guys see me put my toothpaste there. And I usually use the peroxide, gargle with the peroxide, and this anti-cavity mouthwash. And those are usually my steps to taking a shower. So let me show you guys the, excuse what I have on. Let me show you guys the face mask. I cannot get my words out today that I'm going to be using this mask tonight because I haven't used, well, actually I did use this last week, but I think I want to do this mask. I got this from Bath and Body Works. It's cocoa butter, shea butter, and cucumber water because I need to add some moisture to my skin. The other day I did a mask for acne, so today I need to do a mask for moisture.